bunnies are settled in a place with food, time to look for Preston. Vision power! Got him! This way, Rangers! Let's find out what he's up to.
Okay, underlings. I need everything done by yesterday. Don't make me have to fire you.
Threatening to fire people does not make them work harder. Preston!
How do you know? Nobody works for you.
Oh, look! Another billboard with you and musical notes. Do you play?
Nope. I'm all work and no play. I hire other people to play, then still more pay me to see them. It's my music festival, PrestonFest.
I love music festivals. Tell me more.
Mandy, don't encourage him.
Our first show was last night. It was huge. People packed our little spot in the desert.
That explains it. All those people dancing at your festival trampled all the plants.
Of course they did. That's part of the fun.
Wait! If you already had PrestonFest, what are you doing here?
PrestonFest night 2 with twice as many people.
That means twice as much plant trampling.
And twice as many empty bunny tummies.
And twice as many ticket sales. So don't try to stop me. Booby trap. River dance time!